Whoa.
What's that?
I just Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Check, check, check. Check, check. Yo, 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 yo. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yo. This. Can you hear me? Good? Bad? Alright, bad. Bad. Alright, can you see my screen good? Am I too big? I'll shoot myself. Loki, we don't really need. Actually, that's fine. That's fine. Why not? Just leave. Just leave on the camera, right? Let me see. I just need to change this lighting. I need like a ring right here for my face. That was better. It's better to have like the lighting like coming from my monitor, but not too much. Yeah, like that's perfect. Alright, good. That's good right there. 16%. Likewise, bro. Nice to see you, dog. Alright, let me teach you how to trade, bro. I'm gonna teach you the basics right now. So this was this morning. I was gonna enter at 9:30. So you can see the time right here. 9:10, 9:30 a.m. I drew. What time am I? I'm on 10 minutes. So I started off on 30. Let's see. I drew this this fair value gap, and I drew this big fair value gap. These were the two I drew, and then from here, the middle, I drew a TP right here, because price was already floating right here when I had drawn these, and I knew RSI. Where was RSI? RSI was. It was bullish. It was bullish on 30. But on the 10 and the 1 hour, it was bearish. Look, on the 1 hour, you look, it was bearish. On the 10, it was bearish too. Look, right here. It was floating right here. It was bearish. It wanted to go to the middle. Middle RSI. That's middle RSI. This is resistance, support. These are like gravitational pull fields. I call them GFIs. Gravitational GFI field pull. No, GFI. Man, what do I call? Where's my other trading journal at? But today I just got a brand new trading journal, bro. Trading journal. But I'll go through a fresh one. I'll go through a fresh one for you. I'll do a back test right now. Let me just clear all this. And let's do a replay. Random. And like I said, I always like to go to 6:30 a.m. At 6 a.m. Right here. Oh, shit, 7 a.m. 30. Yeah, so right now, look, 6:30 perfectly. Because that's the market open. Can you hear me good, Dush? Escar, where'd you go, bro? Happy birthday, bro. Dude, when I was hitting everything up, literally, left and right, crash after crash. It was annoying, bro. Shut my window. Bro, I'm thirsty, bro. Got this whole ass gallon right here, bro. Usually I'm supposed to use a cup, but I just do this. Oh. Bro, I don't know if you saw that, but that shit went all over my body. That shit went all over my body, bro. Yeah, I'm for sure getting a better cam, bro. Holy shit. This shit's like... Hey, cam's a cam, though. I look oiled up, bro. What the hell? It's a Diddy party. Alright. Let's get this chat. Let's trade. Alright, so let's see this. So I always go to 6 a.m. I always want to mark out the high and lows. Why don't I? Why is it like this? I don't start trading until 7 a.m. because I want 30 minutes to pass for I need that bottle, bro. So let's skip to 7. What time is it? Yeah, let's skip by 1. So this is the 7 a.m. candle. Mark out the high and the low. Let's see. High. And this is the wick. So this is the candle. This is a candle. Let me zoom all the way in for you. This is what we call a candle body. This is the wick. So like of a candle, that wick is what you light. And there's a wick on the bottom and the top. This one right here. This is a doji. This is what a doji looks like. A doji means the next one's gonna be a big push up or down. But look at this doji right here. Boom, big push. There's dojis here, yes, but that's aftermarket. This area is aftermarket. Market's closed right there. Another example, doji, boom, big move. Doji, big move. Fat doji still moves a little volatile, but remember this is a 30-minute. So the time frame is, the higher the time frame, the more accurate the confirmation is. So this doji is a confirmation that's gonna move down or up. Boom, move down. This is engulfing, but it did 3, and then there's the FEG here, so that's why price wanted to go back up. And right here, price also went back up because it hit middle. In middle, it's gonna be like a flip-floppy, like a magnet. It's like I see it in my brain, but it's like kind of hard to explain. But the more I do it, the more I know I would get it down. Alright, back to where we are. And then I mark the low. The low will be right here. I'll show you move it one up. let Wicked in. Here, come on. Oh. Chat. This is my best friend Wicked. Let's go full cam. Dush and chat meet Wicked. My best friend right here, bro. My day one. Let's go. He's made appearances in the past. Man on me. The day of my chart. Shit, I don't even know. Let me see. The date of my chart looks like this is the Monday, the 15th. No, Monday. Monday the 15th, 2023. Hey, Chino. Oh, it's low? Oh, shit. Check. How's it now? It's because the mic's like right down there. And that's Dexter right there. That's Dexter. Sheesh. Alright, is it good or what? You guys are here. So you guys are like right in front of my mouth. Alright, Dush. So, yeah, this is May 15th, 2023. 7 a.m. So, after it hits 7 a.m., I go down to the 10-minute. I see, actually, before I move down, I see if there's any previous, like, fair value gaps I could use. Right here, not really, because it overflows. Right here, not really, because it overflows too. There's a lot of congestion just right here, because with this, it does want to follow back up right here, so I guess I could make this an FVG, but I'm not gonna put it all the way out there. Just put it right there for like a zone. I'm not gonna put it all the way out here though. But there is FVG right here, and this one I will go all the way out, because it looks like this FVG this middle part of the FVG, this blue line, dotted line, it respects the resistance. So even before market opens, I like to do a pre-market. Oh shit. Thank you, bro. Okay. You can even see it. Okay, back to this. Even before market opens, I like to do whatchamacallit. What was I saying? Oh, pre-market analysis. This is pre-market analysis right here, chat. I like to do it the night before, right before in the morning at 6 a.m. before market opens at 6:30, and then right now when market's playing. But this is the FEG I was talking about. That one I want to put all the way out because it's more solid, because it closes right here and opens here, closes here, opens here. It's not like this one. This one, I guess it kind of looks clean a little bit, but it's just little tiny pips. This little zone right here. This is just whoop. This interferes. They hit each other. This easy peasy lemon squeezy for me. But chat, let's get into it. So obviously there is a big FVG right here, chat. Just what color is the FVG that I'm talking about, bro? Tell me, bro. Dish. Where is the FVG, dog? Bro, I don't got a cup in here, bro, and I don't even feel like going out in the kitchen right now, bro. Alright, where is the FVG? What color is it, Dish? Tell me right now, bro. I'm about to text you, bro. You're not responding, bro. You alive, bro? Is there a delay on this chat, bro, or what? If there's a delay, put a W in chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Mississippi, 8 1,000, 9 1,000. Wait, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000. Red. Damn, I said that shit a long ass time ago. Yes, it's red. It's right here. So you're getting familiar with what a fair value gap is. Oh fuck! But at the same time, it's not really a fair value gap because look, it's not clean. Like I had just said. What's wrong with this one? This one's okay, but this interferes, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But you know what I said with this? I'm still gonna mark it out as a zone, so I like still know like what's up. You feel me? Just so I'm aware. But I like to move down to the 10-minute. I'm like, okay, what can I see on the 10-minute? 10-minute, I don't really go back that far. I only go back that far if it's an hour or 30 minutes. With 10 minutes, I won't go back this far. With 10 minutes, I'm only focused on the market. The market, the high and the low, and that's it. It's delayed. So, like I had said, when I marked out this FVG, it actually looks like it's being respected because this 10-minute candle respected this resistance, and it hit it and it got shot down. But chat, look, this is fucking perfect. This is perfect. Let me make myself bigger, bro. Where did you at? Maybe I could just make this more zoomed in. No, I know what to do. What the fuck? Nibba. Move this. Alright, that's cool like that. Yeah, maybe I could just wait. No. How do I crop this bit? Cropping's not a thing, I guess. Chat is super delayed by 20. Fuck. Let me see if I could end the delay. Yeah, latency is low. I don't really know how to fix the delay. Yeah, it's okay. Sorry, bro. Just let's pay attention. So look, this respected that, but look at this. This is fucking perfect, bro. You see this RSI right here? This little motherfucker right here that I'm circling? Let me just circle it. This is golden. When you see this is a GFI, gravitational field. And bro, how am I forgetting my own terminology? Gravitational pull field, GPF, gravitational pull field. So we got the gravitational pull field. What that basically means is when you see imagine this is Earth, this is the moon, but they're the same size and they're both floating in space. So what do they want to do? They want to come together like this. You feel me? So, oh shit, I'm still in this mode. So what I'm gonna do here is this. Right now it says 7:20 a.m. Guess what I'm gonna put? You have 20 seconds to respond, Dush. Guess what I'm gonna go? Okay. This is what I use. Yeah, I use the EMA. I don't really focus on EMA that much unless it's like really close. But right here is pretty far. You also want to see what you're in. Ultimately, we're in a downtrend. Cause downtrend, so it's gonna want to go up anyways. See the downtrend, up, uptrend, down. That's how it works. I don't really focus too much on that, but it's good to know before. We're going long. Yes, we are going long, bro. We are going long. So right here, I'm gonna put in buy. I'm gonna buy. What am I gonna buy? I'm gonna buy. I always like to put like a good like 1,000. 1,000 right there. So I'm gonna buy. Put my TP. Where do you think I'm gonna put my TP at? Right here. Right here. This is like 10 pips. It's 10 pips. Second TP. Put it like right here. Oh shit. Right here. Now boom, first TP. Make us a good 22 grand. And for stop losses, I don't like setting stop losses. Honestly, if I see I'm in red and I hit my stop loss like a percent value, I'm like, okay, I'm exiting. I hit my stop loss, I'm exiting. It's like a very high frequency trade. What do you mean by that, brother? So now this RSI is gonna bounce off of this support. That's the support right here, and it's gonna go up, and it's gonna want to hit this resistance, and it's gonna want to what I say, chat. Two earths. It's gonna want to come together as one. And I like to draw it out, just to stroke my ego. Like boom, like boom. It's gonna meet there. Ah, fuck. I need to leave these fucking pimples alone, bro. Alright. Sure, I mean it will happen in seconds. Yes, it will happen in seconds, because it is on the 10-minute frame, 10-minute time frame. And what I like to do is I like to let me just confirm this. I like to scalp. Because scalping is what I do. Where I put 100 and it's whatever. Yeah, it's whatever. I put this much to make this much. That's 20%. Usually I go for just 10%, but this is where my TP is. I either go for just 10% or I go for where it makes sense to make my TP, my take profit, you know? And just like one random pump or dump and make or break. Yeah, exactly. That's why it happens in seconds. So making a stop loss is like high key irrelevant to me, because with these confirmations, what are my confirmations? I have RSI, bullish, gravitational, pull fill. This is bullish. I have resistance, pull strength. That's 2. Resistance, pull strength. I have a support, fair value gap support, and I also have a major over the low of the day support. That's 4. What I also have, and this is my bread and butter, chat. My bread and butter. I will always say this. It's my. How did I not even note this? This is a triangle breakout. Triangle breakouts are my bread and butter. So what that means is this is a isosceles triangle. I actually knew a girl in elementary named Celise, and then the joke was, "Oh, I saw Celise." Yeah, she was crippled, but she was cool. Yeah, cool friend. But this is a triangle right? This is like a cute triangle. You feel me? You feel me, chat? It's like that. Like, yeah, type shit. So, what am I gonna do now? I set my TP. I'm gonna let the market play out. Oh shit, chat. This is where we become emotionless. Let God take the wheel. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh shit. Bang! Bang, 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 bang. Bang! That's what I'm talking about, chat. It hit our 2 TPs in one go, bro. Bang! So this is let's just let the market ride out, bro. Let's just let the market ride out, bro. But you can see our TP was taken right then and there, and bang, screenshot, put this is a this and that, and then let's just pause this because I don't want it to go any further. But you see how I drew this and it went boom, boom, and it hit each other exactly as planned, perfect execution. This triangle breakout, bread and butter. This is high key a doji, like I said in previously flashback. Dojis is a confirmation to move. How many times these setups happen in a day? Honestly, like 3, but you only want to trade this setup. I'll be honest, Dush. You only want to trade the setup when it's volatile, when the market's moving like. Why? Because you don't want consolidation, you don't want a slow market, you don't want to trade something that moves slower than a sloth. You feel me? You want to trade speed. Speed is money, speed is everything. That's why I only trade I watch market from 6:30 to 7 a.m. Why? Because 6:30 to 7 a.m. is honestly so volatile. I stay out of it because I've made so many mistakes just being in it. I want to see at least 3 10-minute candles, making a total of 1 30-minute candle, 3 10-minute candles, so I could have one, see where market wants to go, build confirmations off of those 3 candles, because they all react off of each other. Like we saw in this entire stream, they all reacted off of each other. We built a high and a low. We seen this one FVG helped us. We placed a TP right there, and that it hit right here. Also, this doji and our other confirmations. We had like 5 confirmations. RSI, gravitational pull fill, bullish pull fill. We had the support of the FVG, middle support right here, and the actual support. That's 2 in one. Basically, we have the doji. We have the resistance, pull, strength on the big FVG in the middle that was built by the 10-minute candles. This is the strength. That's why this is the first TP. I have all my contracts. I have 100 contracts. I exit 75 of them right here on my first TP. I exit the other 25 of them on my second TP. If the other 25 go negative, it's okay. I'm still in green. I'm still in green. You just always want to practice setting 2 TPs, and it's just honestly a great setup. Here, let's do it again. Let's do it again. So what time is it right here? It is. I like to erase this stuff because, like, what am I gonna have this blocking my view? Just the unnecessary stuff. Just so like my mind resets. Now, what do we have here, chat? We love. What do we say we love? What's our bread and butter? Triangle breakouts. Gonna mark the low. What I always do is I mark always, and I've learned this. With a 10-minute, you wanna mark the first candle. The first candle you mark, you always wanna mark the third candle from that. You don't mark directly the second one. You mark the third. even if the second one spills down a little bit, like let's say this wick goes right here. You don't want to go from here to here. You want to go here to here. First candle to the third candle on 10 minutes for a triangle breakout. Now it looks like price is gonna get consolidated into this corner, and that would be perfect. But it looks like this is gonna push down a little bit, and then honestly, it looks like this is building a top. So this could be the new top because it looks like it's building pretty good resistance right here, especially with the EMA. This is why I don't always use EMA, but when you have EMA always on, you'll see how to utilize it. This is EMA resistance. What? This just saying how many times does this setup happen in a day? So back to what I was saying, how volatile it is. I trade from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. After 9:30, I'm disciplined and I'm not even entering at 9:31 or 9:30 a.m. at that. If I'm doing that, I know I'm breaking my rules, and that leads to me breaking more rules, and that could lead to my account being blown in that one day. Honestly, that's how crucial your psychology is in trading. You could master the setup this, but if you don't have your psychology down, none of it matters. For short up, stats are good, and like opposite stats are good for short. Yeah, the confirmations work for going both ways, short or long. But like I said, this is building resistance, so I'm gonna fast forward like one or two. Oh yeah, that's fire. Just shot straight up. It said, "Fuck this resistance." Opened up above it, shot straight up. You can see that. You could see this in game as well. But don't be discouraged. Don't be like, "Oh, why didn't I enter? Why did this?" No, shut the fuck up. You want to let the market come to you. You're a lion. Lions let their prey come to them, and they pounce on that shit. You feel me? I need some more water, bro. My mouth is getting parched. It's cool. I had 3 profitable months on stock options, but I lost everything after I thought big of myself and broke rules. Exactly, Dish. That's why breaks are important when you see yourself breaking even one rule. Honestly, you just want to step back and just reflect and think. That's why having a trading journal is so crucial to your success, because you get to reflect on your previous trades, see where your head's at, and just write everything down that you're basically feeling within trading. Oh, no. What do we have here? Dash FVG right here. I'm gonna mark this one out hella because it looks like this is gonna fall back down, or at least doji. And what this built right here, look, you let the market come to you. Bearish RSI gravitational pull. What did I say? The purple one is this world. The yellow one is the moon, but they're the same size, right? Look, those lines are the same size. And what do they want to do? They want to go and meet in the middle right there, chat. And that's where you make your money. RSI is such a great tool. Like, it's low key underrated, but at the same time, I don't put my head in that space that much. Also, an inverted doji. You could say this is a doji, but honestly, it's fat as fuck, and it is a fat ass doji. But at the same time, it is a doji. Not really. I like dojis like this. This is aftermarket, so it's not really gonna fucking count. But the skinnier, the better. Alright, let's see. Right here, I'm gonna fast forward. Honestly, it could just go fucking straight to hell. Now, this is the doji I like. This is the doji I fucking like. It is opened above resistance, Yes. This is where I enter Fibonacci. Go to the new high. Oh shit. Fuck. 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 Fuck, man. Fuck, man. Fuck, man. Go to the low. Okay. So what I could read from here is this. These are lines that price is gonna want to pull to. It's gonna want to pull here, but I'm not gonna enter here because I need more than just okay doji, okay RSI bearish gravitational pull field. What else? That's it. This is pros. This is the cons. Above resistance. It's a doji. It could go any direction. It could fucking go to the moon right now. RSI is also close to the resistance, so that could act as a resistance pull strength right here. Because the yellow one, it's close to the middle, so it doesn't want to go up, and it wants to meet its counterpart there. Yellow always wants to meet, and purple. They always do, especially when they're close like this. But here, I always let market right out. See what happens. See? Shot up. But at the same time, it shot down right where we would have set our TP. You feel me? You feel me? But also, RSI stayed in the same spot. It went up. But how many pips even is this? 96 to 60. It's like 30 pips. But with options, you always want to see like 50 pips or greater. 30 pips is great. It's great. With options. Fast forward. Yeah, see? This doji sent the shit up. Once it hits 9:30, what time is it? 9:10. Okay, right here. This is fire. This is where I would enter. I would delete this. Actually, let's make it longer. Oh, this is perfect. Fibs right here. That's where I would enter. TP right there. So. TP a little above, just because how market's been moving right now. And then if I were to do a second TP, I'll let it draw all the way down to this fib, second fib line, but also right above the fair value gap middle support. Middle support. Oh shit. That right here. Also inverted doji. Oh, that was a while ago. Now check it out. Yeah. Okay. Confirm. Boom. No, out of trading $1,000, we make 170. Now let's. So what do we have here? What do we have here? Dush, tell me the confirmations we have here. Sure, can you do a live trading stream one day? Yeah, of course. Of course, that would be, that's a goal of mine for sure. Live trading stream. Let me write that down. I'm gonna write down my goals in my trading journal. Goals. Oh shit. Goals. Live trading stream. A live trading stream is, I've always talked about it since 2022, bro. Alright, let's send this Dush. Oh wait, Dush, yeah, what do you see here? What confirmations do you see here that I've taught you so far? If you need a hint, let me know. Sir, can you do it? Yeah, I will do a live trading stream. This big red candle, RSI probably going down, resistance probably. I understand you're new to this and your confidence isn't there right now with what I'm teaching you, because it's just like the first time I'm ever asking you to do this. But you don't want to use probably. Just always be sure of yourself with confidence. Big red candle, RSI probably going down, resistance. Yeah, what I call this is, remember, the two worlds, they want to collide, they want to come together. It's a gravitational pull fill. G P F. This is a bearish gravitational pull fill. So in my notes, I'll be like, what confirmations were gravitational, bearish gravitational pull fill on 10-minute. Also has middle support pull strength, but that's a little bit extra, but it is there. It is there. And then what else do we have? Big red candle, RSI going down resistance. Yeah, this resistance, the old resistance, it's now the new support. Because of this, made it the new support. This is the resistance up here with the fib. This is the support. It wants to go down and hit the support. So this is support pull strength. Yes, gravitational pull fill, GPF. Yes, and there's FVG. It also wants to come down to the FVG resistance. Triangle acting as support, and it will make a lower low. Triangle. Yeah, you can make a triangle out of this. Triangle breakout. Once this opens right here, it's gonna go. So for a triangle breakout, you always want to be marking out 1 candle, 3 candle on 10 minutes to see if there's a triangle breakout with a resistance or a support. Support, right here, support. Boom, broke out. Resistance. Trend line. Boom, it's gonna break out, go down. By yo, what's good, Yas? What's good, professional Yas video? We trading, my boy. If you're new here, sub up. Put W's in chat. You feel me? So right here, congrats on being here, my boy. We're about to hit 1 hour. But by triangle, I mean red line. Yes, this red line, this is price. This red line is price. This is a trend line. This is a trend line. This is price. This line right here is price. This is where I entered at. So I'll tell you all the confirmations I see. Like I said, bearish gravitational pull fill, support pull strength, triangle breakout, FVG, support pull strength, FVG pull strength. I'll just say it like that, because it didn't really become a support, but it did. It was a big support to play overall. But the old support, the old resistance played a role as well. The old resistance became a new support. It always happens like that. Yeah, trendline. Don't be sorry, bro. All right, let's end it. Dish. Oh, yo, it went the other way. And now this is where we revenge trade. No, I'm playing. Right here, our first trade, we were up $220 because it said 22,000. So right here we'd be negative. But also, wait, no, that's 9:10 a.m. Yes, right here, just exit. Or I could place TP. You know, I should just exit right here, chat. Oh, I hit TP. I hit TP. Son, I hit TP. I hit TP. Now following my rules, once I hit 10%, I should just bounce. Right there, let it ride. What I like to do is this. If I do place my stop loss, I'll place it like this. I place my stop loss where it makes most sense. Right above resistance. TP, where I want it, right there. Confirm. Let price move and move down. I know. Not using stop loss. It's like low key risky. Cause stop loss is like what you need. But also look at this. RSI came together at this moment, and we just hit 930 right now. And you'll see. Yeah, market could go crazy after 930 still, but I don't want to trade that. I don't want to trade past 930. But you can even like fast trade too, like this. But I don't like seeing like all this shit in my way. Like all these drawings just make my brain like want to implode. So it's like basically like a 1-to-1, 270, 220. Let's see what happens. R will be negative. Yeah, that could happen. That's why we win. Bang! Bang, 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 bang. Oh, I forgot to confirm. Well, this is what happens. This is why our win rate is high. At the same time, it is 11 a.m. and we shouldn't have made that trade, but it worked out. That's where it's like, oh, I should just break my rules all the time. I should just break my rules all the time. No, you don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. And yeah. Any questions, Dush? What's up? Why are you confused? What happened? Marking out this FVG, placing it. This is the first 30 minutes. I'm gonna place my TP. This is a small pip, 89 to 25, 30, 89 to 25. That's still 30, pretty much. There was no gravitational pull fill in the last. Oh, that last trade was just a troll, bro. I apologize. That was just a fast trade. It still worked. I should have went over that. My bad. So this one I'll go over it. 6:30 a.m. Actually 6:50 right here. 6:40, 6:30. This one 6:30 market opens. 6:50, 6:50, 7 a.m. It's gonna hit my TP up here. My second TP will be right here. Gravitational pull, bullish gravitational pull field. They're gonna want to collide right here. Let me draw everything out. So it's gonna go boom, boom. This is gonna go boom, and then boom. This will be right there. Boom. Now let's do buy. Gravitational pull field. Yeah, gravitational pull field right here. Got our FVG resistance pull, or just FVG strength. I understood first setup from the second one without stop loss made me a bit confused after the third one was really uncomfortable. Yeah, I'll start making cause I'm an aggressive trader. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a very aggressive scalper. So on this one, that's already 300. That's better than what the last trade was gonna be. Then our stop loss will be. I don't fuck with stop losses, bro. I'm not gonna put a fucking stop loss. Fuck that shit. Honestly, in a situation like this, I'm gonna say, fuck a stop loss. But at the same time, it's like, let's just practice putting stop losses, bro. I'll put it right there. Alright, let's do this chat. Oh shit, I never confirmed the trade. But look, you see how important a stop loss is? Ooh, look how it fucking grazed our TP chat. It fucking blue balled us. Fuck. Bro, what if things T rallies are. I know. It's cause like the thing is, in game, I do 10%. So this is what my in game looks like. Like when I trade. this is bullish. It wants to move up. Triangle breakout. So I always go for 10%. The reason why I don't do stop losses is because I'm trading 1,000 to make 100, just 10%. That's 10 pips. Price is at 432.29. We're going for 432.39. I don't need a stop loss in this scenario. I'm going for big plays. Stop loss me, yes. Gravitational pull, bearish gravitational pull fill, triangle breakout. Yeah. For a triangle breakout, that's a big confirmation. RSI is a big confirmation. At times like this, that's all you need. See? Gravitational, this triangle breakout, you always want to do 1, 2. You don't want to go 1 to 2. I mean 1, 3, not 1 to 2. On 10 minutes, oh fuck, this is 30 minutes right here. What the fuck, I'm trading 30 minutes? But still, it worked out. On any time frame, this strategy works. Fuck, I didn't confirm it again. I don't know why it doesn't show my profit on losses. But that was a dub. Alright, what's your craziest confession?
I don't know. I don't do anything.
Hey, W Dish.
Alright, fuck,
W
marry,
Dish.
kill. Joe Biden, Kamala, and Trump.
That's crazy.
Fuck, marry, kill. Let's hear it.
Kill Trump. Fuck.
Biden?
No, I can't. I don't. If I marry him, I don't have to fuck him. So Joe Biden. I'll marry Joe Biden. I'll fuck Kamala Harris.
Alright, so you said 10?
Like a 8.5?
8.5? Would you smash?
No, I'm waiting till marriage. I'm celibate.
That's right. That's right.
Waiting till marriage, celibate, nice. Alright, Dish, I'll send you the money. Fuck, what's that called? That's right. Alright, Dish, you still here? Alright, any questions, Dish? So live trading stream. I want to build an account from $60 because right now I just put $60 into a new account. Alright, I will do a live trading stream building a trading account from 60. Alright, for the clip. Alright, I will be doing a live trading stream building an account from $60 into $1,000 starting this Monday. Let's go. Alright, let's do it. I'll wait for this stream. Yes, sir. Yeah, so on my Weibo account, I just put 60 into a new account, so I'll just build that account up. I love my new trading journal. It's fancy. The pen match is perfect. Alright then, chat. I'll see you guys on Monday. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm doing a stream. Actually, Dish, I want you to post. Oh yeah, after post game, boom, hit, let's go. All right, chat. Tomorrow, Instagram, you seeing this right now. Tune in right now. I'm live. I'm opening up a watermelon with just rubber bands. Let's go. Maybe needed to give more energy, but people were sleeping, so it's fine. Let's go. Rather than just make that into a reel right now. Hey, W Heart Keeper, let's go. Heart Keeper 143, let's go. I'm a Heart Keeper too. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you, chat. Doses. It's been your boy Mace.